Hey guys, there are a lot of AI things right now, and in this video I will show you
how to install and use IndexTTS2.
With this one, you can clone absolutely any voice you want.
And it will be quite realistic. So I think it's worth a try.
And one thing before starting, I tested this model only with NVIDIA graphics that supports CUDA, and I don't know if it works correctly on other devices. Alright, firstly, you have to download and install Python if you haven't done it yet. Download it from the official website. I use standalone installer, not an install manager. Then download Git. And during installation just click Next. You don't have to make any changes. The next thing, as I said before, I've tested IndexTTS only on NVIDIA, so I download NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit. But do not download the latest version, you should use only 12.8. It will not work if you install a different version. CUDA Toolkit takes 3 GB, so you have to wait some time. And also there will be more large files later. All of these links you can find in the description. Okay, we will use IndexTTS2, a really powerful model to make realistic text-to-speech voice, with controlling emotions and timbre, and it's free for you, because you will use it locally on your PC. There is a little installing guide we will follow. I want to download the model to the desktop. You can do it on any folder you want. Open Terminal or PowerShell in the needed directory. You can hold the Shift key and right mouse click, and find here, Open in Terminal, or Open PowerShell. Then install Git LFS. We need this to download large files using Git. After this, download this GitHub repository to your PC, enter git clone, and link to this repo. You see it's downloaded, but there is one error. You could get the same, don't worry. It just can't download one file, it's audio file from examples, we don't need this. And go inside the folder we just created. Also enable to download large files for this repo. They recommend to use UV, the fastest Python packages manager. Just install this using pip install command. If you see that pip is not recognized on this PC, you should add Python path to the environment variables. Go to local disk, users, your main user, enter app data in the address bar. Then go to local, programs, Python, select the latest version, scripts. Copy that address. Open the settings, find here environment variables. Click on this button. And in System Variables find Path. Click Edit. Then add a new one, and just paste the address you just copied here. After that, restart the terminal, or restart PC. Then it should work. Okay, now we should install all the Python packages that this application uses. You can use this command, UV sync with all extras, but it isn't working for me. And they suggest to download it from another server. Now you have to wait some time until it downloads. See that I got one more error, something about DS kernels. Don't worry about it, we will install manually all missed packages. To check if it's good, enter UV sync, without extra. And everything is good if you don't have any errors after this. Okay, now we should download the needed model. They suggest 2 ways to download it, Hugging Face and Model Scope. Use the first one. Install the Hugging Face CLI, and then download the AI model with this command, but enter before UV, run, and then paste the command. And now you have to wait as well, large files are coming, it's about 10 GB. By the way, you can interrupt the download, enter the same command, and it will continue to download. Alright, the IndexTTS model is downloaded successfully and I don't see any errors, and you can try to run the model on your PC with this command. And I got an error, there is no Gradio package. We can easy fix this with UV pip, install Gradio. And now try to run the application one more time. When you run it first time, it downloads some missing files for the model. And after a while the application is launched. Okay, open any browser, and go to this local address. You get this interface, now you can do anything you want. Import here some reference audio file with the voice you want to clone. Enter a text to synthesize. You can save the emotions from the reference file, or change it. For example, add one more audio with emotions you want, it can be a different person's voice. Or you can edit emotion vectors. Make it calmy or aggressive, sad or happy. And also you can describe emotions with text description. It's experimental feature now, but it will be improved in the next updates. Okay, now show you how to run the application again when it's completely installed. Go to the IndexTTS folder, and open here some terminal. Then enter UV run, web UI. You have to wait a bit. Open the browser, and go to this local address, and now you can use it. Let's try to do something. I just take this guy's voice as example. He speaks too much and it's easy to find some reference, no other speakers and no background music. Then add a text. I will set the same emotions like in the source audio, and click Generate. As you can see, it takes a lot of resources. I have not really the best graphics, and this little text-to-speech was generated for 10 minutes.
I will synthesize a new audio with the same emotion vector like in the reference file. You can change it if you want, and it takes some time to generate a new speech. It depends on your PC spec.
One more thing, you can get all generated audio files in the IndexTTS output folder. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.